The next example is d2y by dx square minus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power x into cos 2x, right? So the given differential equation contains the second order derivative d2y by dx square, and RHS is e to the power x into cos 2x. Now in the RHS, how is the function given to you? The function is given as e to the power x into cos 2x. We see the function in the product form. How is the product given? Product is e to the power x into cos 2x. So in the product, if one of the term is e to the power x and other term is either treated as v of x, which can be sin ax or cos ax or x to the power m, we consider that particular example of pi as case number 4. So here also in the product I am able to see the product wherein v of x is sin ax or cos ax or x to the power m. So what does the rule says that? Rule says that take the term of e to the power x outside, replace every d by d plus a. What is the value of a here?
1.
1.
One.
We have to look for the coefficient of x in exponential term only for the value of a, and then after that substitution either it will be reduced to case number 2 or case number 3. So initially to calculate the first part of the solution, I will have d square minus 2d plus 1, convert it into the operator form. D square minus 2d plus 1 whole multiplied by y is equal to e to the power x into cos 2x. Then after doing so, we will be writing down the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. That is m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. M is equal to 1 comma 1. The roots are real and equal. Whenever the roots are real and equal, we write down the complementary function as c1 e to the power mx plus x into c2 e to the power mx. Here roots are 1 comma 1, so c1 e to the power x plus x into c2 e to the power x. So that is how we will be simplifying and getting the answer. Clear? Complementary function is
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yeah. Finished up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now for particular integral, pi is equal to 1 upon f of d to be operated on this. Now take the term of e to the power x outside. Replace every d by d plus 1. So e to the power x into 1 upon d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into d plus 1 plus 1. Every d will be replaced by to be operated on cos 2x. Simplify this and then it will be reduced to, or it will be solvable by case number 2. That is how it goes, right?
Yes, sir.
Completed up to this. So d plus 1 whole square is d square plus 2d plus 1. This is minus 2 into d is minus 2d. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. And plus 1 to be operated or multiplied by cos 2x. Now 2d cancels. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 also gets cancelled. Only we are left with d square. What does 1 upon d represent? Integration with respect to x. So
Integral.
1 upon d square means 2 times integration with respect to x. What is integration of cos? Sine or minus sign?
Yes, sir. Sine.
Positive sign, right? So e to the power x into 1 by d, one time integration of cos 2x with respect to x. e to the power x into 1 by d into sine 2x by 2. Clear? Now take that 2 outside. Again, we have to integrate once. Clear? What is integration of sine? Minus cos.
Minus cos.
Yeah, minus cos 2x upon 2. But 2 into 2 will become 4. So we have written the answer as minus e to the power x by 4 into cos 2x. So the complete general solution will be given by y is equal to,
CF plus PI.
yeah, can you complete the answer?